Hello everyone, you're welcome again to Eve's Desire by Tiwa Says. This is the channel where you get your fun tips and ideas on intimacy and on how to have a more pleasurable sexual experience. I know it's been a minute, but I hope you've all been keeping your freak on and been having mind-blowing orgasms. Today, I'm going to be telling you something that is going to make your sex life more pleasurable for you. So let's dig in. We all would agree that sex is more fun when there's a smooth gliding in and out without any form of friction. Usually what causes that friction is dryness. When a woman's VJ is dry, it makes sex uncomfortable and painful. So today I'm going to be talking about lubrication as a tool for sexual pleasure. You probably know a thing or two about lubrication, but I am not talking about saliva. I am talking about lubricants that were made purposely for lubrication. And I'm going to be giving you a few reasons why you need lubrication. One of the reasons is that when a woman is aroused, sometimes the body does not go into motion and produce the wetness that she needs for intercourse. So in that kind of situation, you need a lubricant. You also need a lubricant in the like I said earlier, I mentioned that some women don't find sex pleasurable because they say it is painful and it is uncomfortable, and that is because of the dryness. So you need a lubricant in that kind of situation to make sex more pleasurable, to make the gliding in and out and there's no friction or anything whatsoever. Also, you need a lubrication for oral sex. Lubricants also make anal play and anal sex less painful because it makes the penetration easier. Now, there are different kinds of lubricants. There is the water-based, which is thin and quite slippery, so it rinses up. It gives you no problem rinsing up, but it dries up quickly, so you might need to use it more than once while you're having fun. And it's also safe to use with your sex toys and safe for oral sex because it comes in edible forms as well. But then it might not be so good for the men because the water-based lubricants affect the man's sperm. So if you are looking to have a baby, that might not be a good choice for you. There's also the oil-based type of lubricant, and the best of this form is the coconut oil. But this is not a very good type of lubricant because it breaks latex condoms. So if you are looking to practice safe sex, this might not be a good choice for you. Then there is the silicone type. This is the best of the three. It is safe for vaginal health. It is better than water-based because you don't need to reapply it. You just apply it once and you can go on and on and on. And it's also safe for condoms and sex toys. So if you are looking to get a lubricant, you might want to get the silicone type. And lest I forget, one of the downsides of the water-based lubricants is the fact that most of them contain glycerin. And glycerin is not good for a woman's VJ health because it causes yeast infection. So please take note of that. And just to be clear, there's nothing wrong with a woman getting a lubricant, or even a man for that matter. I know there's a bias against women about getting lubricants, that okay, getting a lubricant makes you less of a woman, you can't lubricate naturally. All that is balderdash. Lubricants are enhancers, and that is what they are good for. So you should not feel any form of shame or feel insecure about your body. There's nothing wrong. Just get that lubricant because trust me, it will make your sex life more fun and more pleasurable. So if you did like this video, why don't you click the subscribe button and also the like button so that you can get notifications for our future videos. And I'll be seeing you